15 Basic Japanese Verb. 持つ It means have. 持つ持つ。敷く It means spread out. 敷く敷く。沸く It means boil. 沸く沸く。干す It means dry. 干す干す。置く It means put. 置く置く。持つ敷く沸く干す置く。Now we know 5 words. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say have in Japanese? A. 沸く B. 持つ C. 干す。The answer is B. 持つ。Number 2. How do you say boil in Japanese? A. 置く B. 沸く C. 敷く。The answer is B. 沸く。Number 3. How do you say spread out in Japanese? A. 干す B. 置く C. 敷く。The answer is C. 敷く。Let's move on. 呼ぶ It means call. 呼ぶ呼ぶ。つく It means alive. つくつく。会う It means meet. 会う会う。知る It means know. 知る知る。好き It means like. 好き好き。呼ぶつく会う知る好き。Now we know 10 words. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say call in Japanese? A. 呼ぶ B. つく C. 干す。The answer is A. 呼ぶ。Number 2. How do you say meet in Japanese? A. つく B. 会う C. 敷く。The answer is B. 会う。Number 3. How do you say no in Japanese? A. 知る B. 置く C. 好き。The answer is A. 知る。Great! Let's move on. 作る It means make. 作る作る。取る It means take. 取る取る。住む It means live. 住む住む。 話す It means speak. 話す話す聞く It means listen. 聞く聞く作る取る住む話す聞く Wow, now we know 15 words. Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. How do you say make in Japanese? A. 話す B. 作る C. 取るThe answer is B. 作る Number 2. How do you say live in Japanese? A. 聞く B. 会う C. 住むThe answer is C. 住む Number 3. How do you say listen in Japanese? A. 聞く B. 取る C. 好きThe answer is A. 聞く Great! Today we learned useful 15 verbs in Japanese. Great progress! Hope you find them useful. We have a fun and good news to you. My new coloring book is launched at Amazon.com to the world. The title is Kawaii Japan Trip by Very Kawaii Club. The coloring book will make you imagine you are traveling in Japan by coloring in your room or anywhere you like. Let's enjoy your creativity with Kawaii Japan Trip. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the good button. See you next video. またねー。